Well, I'm pleased to be joined by Adam Swain. Adam is the owner of SwainCo, crawl space and basement repair, and a winner of the 2020 Business of Integrity Award. Adam, congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for having me on here.
You know, a little history of the company. SwainCo, considered by many as the original crawl space experts, if you will, over many years. Family owned and operated. Your late father and you worked together and you started the company. Talk about a little bit of the background of the company.
My father had actually started a crawl space repair company back in the early 80s here in central Indiana, one of the first that just focused on crawl spaces. And then back in 2008, we decided to come together and start SwainCo, crawl space and basement repair. You know, one of the things he instilled in myself and the rest of the company was ethics, morals. You know, that whether it was through advertising, through our hiring process. You know, we started everything with the idea that we were going to be 100% honest, 100% ethical in all of our business approaches.
So obviously transparency, integrity, very important parts of the company and the culture there. As I understand it, you were faced with an opportunity to make perhaps a substantially greater profit, if you will, with a particular customer, but based on your company actions, that transparency and integrity came into play. Tell us about that.
We had a lady walk into our office. She had brought a competitor's quote with her and said, "Can you do all this work?" We told her yes. "Can you do it for, you know, the same price?" We took a look at the pricing and we realized that, you know, this other company had really kind of gouged her in the pricing, almost 3 times what would be typically standard for the industry. So very easy for us to just say yes and go about it and make, you know, 3 times the amount of money we would normally make. But we were upfront, honest with her, told her exactly, you know, what was going on. Needless to say, she was extremely happy, saved herself thousands of dollars.
Great example of integrity and ethics in business. Congratulations, Adam Swain, the owner of SwainCo and a winner of the 2020 Business of Integrity Award. Really appreciate it and look forward to following your growth going forward.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me on here.